Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this look for fall. This is obviously a fall inspired look. Fall is coming. We are here. We are ready for it. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. All right guys, first I'm going to prime my face with the Fenty Hydrating Primer. Like this. I'm like breaking out on my forehead. Can you guys see that? Look at this. Look at this. All right, I'm just gonna rub that in. I'm gonna do my brows. I'm going to use the Benefit Precisely My Brow in the shade number 4. All right, I'm just gonna fill in my brows really quick. Layla. There's a brow. Let's do this brow. Okay. So I'm gonna take this little concealer brush with my Fenty concealer, and I'm going to clean up my brows. So I am feeling like a fall vibe today. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lids with the same concealer. Blend that in. I'm going to set that with this Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Powder. I'm just gonna set that concealer that I just put down with this big fluffy brush, and I do put a little bit in my brows too. I want to do something fall-ish because fall is coming and I love the fall. Fall is my favorite season. So I want to do like a cute, vampy fall look. I'm going to take this shade Homeboy, wherever that is. I think it's this one. Yeah, the shade Homeboy on a big fluffy brush. And I'm going to pop that like a little bit above my crease. Yeah, it's nice. Okay, doing the same thing on the other side. Oof. I'm literally buffing that into my eyebrow pretty much. So I'm just gonna buff that until I feel like I'm in a good spot. Ooh, I think I'm gonna go in with this shade here. So this is from the Melt, I think this is the Rust Stack. And this is the shade Rust. So I'm gonna take that on the same brush that I just used, and I'm gonna put that kind of in my crease. I just kind of want to deepen this a little bit. Ooh, you see that? It already looks like fall. It looks like fall through up on my eyes. And I love it. And I'm just gonna blend it out. I'm just gonna take a smaller brush. And this is from the Jaclyn Hill palette. This is the shade Crazy. Ooh-wee. Oh my God, oh my God. And then the brush that I used before to like add that brown, this looks like nuts on camera. I'm just gonna take it and buff around all of that. It's very fall. It's definitely giving me all kinds of fall vibes. And I love it. So I'm gonna go back in with Homeboy, this shade here, but I think I'm also gonna take this shade G Money, and I'm just gonna mix those two. Ooh, it's like mad warm, bro. Mad warm. that's okay because it's fall. I want to go in with this shade here, Flawed and Odd. Flawed and Odd. So I'm gonna take that on this MAC brush. I'm gonna grab that and then I'm gonna spray it with my Fix Plus. I'm gonna pack that on my eye. I need to look over here for this so I can see what I'm doing. Ooh, that's pretty. That's a pretty color. Putting this shade all over the lid pretty much. Ooh, that's cute. That's cute. So I have this color one. Right. Now I want to add even more like depth to this. It is quite dark to me, but it needs to be darker. So I'm looking for a dark brown. Thinking maybe this color, Rot. This is from the Melt stack also. I think I'm gonna add this color like on the outer corner. All right, again, I need to, no, I can do this right here. I'm just gonna add this like kind of towards the outside. I'm just adding that to the outer portion of my eye and then bringing it into the crease a little bit. This look needs liner and it needs lashes. I wasn't gonna go this hard, but we're here now. Okay, so I'm just taking, this is Maybelline's Blackest Black. Excuse me guys, I gotta come do this over here because I can't see. I'm gonna do a little, just a little wing. Let's do the other side. I don't know if these are the same, but we're doing it. Oh my god, that wing is garbage. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I don't understand. Look at what. It'll be fine when we put lashes on. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my face. To the face. I'm going to use the Dior Backstage Face and Body whatever foundation, and I'm just gonna put a little bit. Oh, it's not a little bit, but oh my gosh, definitely not a little bit. I'm gonna pop this on. Where's my brush? Pop this on my face. Going in with some concealer. This is the Fenty concealer that I used to prime my eyes. A Real Techniques brush and blend that out. Okay. I'm gonna get up here because I want to cancel out some of this darkness underneath my eyes, even though I'm literally gonna go add darkness underneath my eyes, but it's fine. Blending that out. I'm gonna go ahead and set that with the same Makeup Forever powder that I used to set it on my eyes. Same brush. I'm just gonna set that. Now I'm gonna go in with my bronzer. This is the Fenty bronzer in Cocoa Naughty. Bronze up my face. And because The inner corner of my eyes is so dark. I feel like I need to add nose contour and like, I don't know if that makes any sense, but I feel like I need to add some to my nose and like bring it into this shadow. So you see, I'm taking it on my nose and then I'm just buffing it into my brow. And almost like blending out the inner corner a little bit. Not really, but kind of. Now I'm going to my lower lashes. So I'm gonna take that dark brown color that we used, right, on a little, tiny little smudging brush. And I'm just gonna put that on the outer portion of my eye. And then I'm gonna go back to my Jaclyn Hill palette, that deep burgundy color that I used right here. I'm gonna take this color on this little brush. Oh my God, there's something in my eye. Taking the shade Crazy on this little brush, and I'm just putting that kind of over the brown and bringing it in a little farther. Okay. Where are you? Is this it? M506 brush in the shade G Money. Right here. Really kind of buff all of that down. Drag it down, really blend. Popping all that out. I'm gonna take MAC Teddy. And I'm going to line my, I can't see. I'm gonna line my waterline. Now for a lash. Where are my eyelashes? I don't even know where my eyelashes are. I'm just gonna use these because I pulled these out first. These are, what are these? Salon Perfect 615s. I really need to get another batch of these because these are, they're low raggedy. A low raggedy. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop these on, and then come back and we will finish off with the lips. Okay guys, I'm back. Lashes are on. I put on some mascara on my bottom lashes and I put some brow gel in my eyebrows. So now we're going to go on to highlighting and the lips. So for highlighter, I'm using the Jaclyn Hill. This is the Flare palette. I'm just gonna take these first two shades and Glow Up and Made You Look, and I'm just gonna kind of dab, you know, back and forth between the two. I don't feel like putting on blush. I feel like there's enough happening here, and I am doing a deep lip that I don't need to put any blush on. So I'm just gonna pop this highlighter on. Okay. Oh my God. Ooh. Look at that. I'm gonna take some onto my nose. On my nose here. Okay. And onto my Cupid's bow. My Cupid's bow. And then I'm gonna take a tiny little brush, if I can find it. This brush. I'm gonna take this little brush. I'm gonna do the same thing with those two colors, and then I'm gonna put that on my inner corner. Oh, oh, the inner corner, it just gives it that extra little, you know, that extra little thing that you need. You need it. Okay. So, yes, I love this look. We're going dark with the lips. So this is a whole This is a whole fall vibe here, okay? It's not for the faint of heart. We are going all in. So I'm gonna take MAC's Chestnut liner and line my lips. I can't even see my lips over there. All right. Lining. I'm gonna line these pretty heavy because I'm wearing a dark lip, so, and I had a good line. And I don't want anything, you know, bleeding anywhere. So, gonna let that. Oh, cute. Okay, now for the lip. I'm obsessed with this lip. I've already worn it once. This is the new Fenty, what do you call these things? I don't remember what this is called, but it's the liquid lipstick. This is in the color Underdog. So I'm going to use this color. I love this. This is like the shade. Oh my God. This is the shade for fall, okay? What? Oh my God. I'm obsessed with this. Like, if you don't have this color, I don't even know. Like, this is the only color I'm probably gonna wear all season because it's amazing. Like, look at this. Look at this. Like, is this not the perfect fall shade? If you say no, then you're lying. This, I'm living for this. I love this. I love this so much. It's gorgeous. Okay, so I think we're good. Let's set our face. My Morphe setting spray. Ooh, girl, I need to be at like a carnival or a pumpkin patch, you know, something. Cute. Okay, I'm gonna go put on something a little bit more, I guess, fall-ish, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So this is the final look. Ooh. Yeah, I'm into this. It's very fall, very warm, and I just love everything about it right now. So yeah, I think, you know, this might be a go-to look when I have time. But yeah, this is cute. Okay, she cute. I like it a lot. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. You see that highlight? Ooh. Time to film the intro. Intro.